Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add table of contents in Google Docs. This is very simple. First step is to making sure that your document is structured by headings. So this is heading 1, as you can see, it is set right here. This is heading 2 right here, and this is heading 3 right here. So now your document is structured, you can actually create the table of contents. First step, go over here to insert, then go all the way down until you see page elements. Here it will appear table of contents, and now just choose your preferred style. So it could be links, dotted, or plain text. So I will choose dotted, and as you can see, table of content has been created really quickly. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.